talking about materials that light can pass through. Let's start with our first materials. So for this material, use plastic wrap. Let's see if this is transparent or not. Yes, it is transparent. You can see if the light is going through it clearly, then it's transparent. So in this one we use wax paper. Let's see if it's translucent. Yes, translucent, the light can go through it, but not that clear. If you see really properly, right here, right on this place, it's light not passing. And another way to notice is looking right here. Yep, this is translucent. And for this material, we use paper and cardboard. And if it's light is not passing, then it's pink. Now let's go to these two plastic water bottles. So let's see if these two are translucent. See how less light passes to these. This one is not coming that clearly, so this should be translucent. Let's see this one. This one is clear, so this one's transparent. This one's transparent because light can go to water. So that's why it can be a transparent. And let's check this one. This one's metal, and let's see if light can pass through it. No, so this one's fake. Let's try this one. This one is transparent. No, it's transparent because you can see really clear, and I'm looking right here, and I can see pretty clear. And it's a glass cup. These two are glass cup. And this glass cup we filled with water. And light can travel. Actually, light can travel through it. So some people might think this is translucent, but actually this is transparent. Light can travel to water. Now let's go to our fun facts. So light can travel to anything. It can travel to space, water, air, anywhere. Opaque objects. And it's the fastest thing in the earth, like in the universe. Light can travel faster in empty spaces compared to water and air. Light takes 8 minutes to reach Earth from the sun. Light to reach the moon from Earth takes 1.2 seconds. Some natural sources of light is like fire, volcanoes, sun. Not natural sources of light are gonna be something like light bulbs, like phones, and flashlights, so we can tell camp night stories, and fireworks. In conclusion, light can go to these two materials: transparent and translucent.